Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video I will show you how to make Instagram carousels on your CapCut. Hi, so to make a carousel or slideshow reel on your CapCut is you want to open your CapCut first, and then you want to go to templates, which is on the bottom on your screen. Then search CapCut, type in carousel photo video, and there will be tons of template that will show you. And then so if you want this one,
you'll never regret romanticizing your
so
life.
you just want to use the template and then add your photo or video. So let me add mine. So for
You'll never
example,
regret
I'm okay with this,
romanticizing your life.
and
Take the
this will be
smallest
the
moments
results.
and
So
make them
after
into
that,
something.
you just want to tap in export, and then if you want to save it to your device with CapCut watermark, you will just want to save it directly. But if you don't have or you don't want a CapCut watermark, so you want to save and share to TikTok, but it is pretty optional. So that's it on how to make a carousel or slideshow reel on your CapCut.